Hi dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Archie channel.
Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটোরিয়ালের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Dear viewers, আমরা আপনাদের সামনে এসেছি নতুন সংযোজন। Please have a look.
Dear viewers, today I'm here to inform you something about general idea of tenses. By using different tenses, a speaker or writer tries to show the times at which things happen in comparison with some particular moment. Thus, the past perfect tense shows that an event happened before a given past time. But if there are two or more events happening at the same time, also before that past time, it will not be necessary to repeat the past perfect tense. Thus, a traveler said yesterday that he had seen a lion which was very hungry. Yet the lion was hungry at the same time as the traveler saw him. If we were to say the traveler said he has seen a lion which had been hungry, we should imply that the lion had been hungry before the traveler saw him. So also when a speech is reported in a newspaper, the tenses are in the past because the words of the speaker are past when they are read. For example, the president said he was glad to see so much enthusiasm for the cause he had so much at heart and hoped that word would be followed by deeds. He thanked all present for the energy they were showing. The tense used must depend on the intention of the speaker, and the rules of sequence must be modified accordingly.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.